did well. They brought smile on the faces of, especially those who were in Cape Coast. They really enjoyed. Yeah, so it was all good. We hope for the best in the upcoming.
So the next game is on Tuesday.
Tuesday.
I think
Tomorrow.
is it? Yeah, I think 1 p.m.
1
or so. Yeah, 1 p.m.
Yeah.
Ghana time. It's a must-win game for Ghana.
Yes,
a must-win game. No need to drop points now.
It wouldn't be easy, but I hope we will.
Let's not forget
this
this Zimbabwe team kicked Ghana out of the AFCON.
Yes,
2006.
we've excluding the Saturday match, we've played 3 times. We've never beaten them before.
Wow.
They've beaten us twice. We've drawn 1. So the match on Saturday really helped us. And I think going to their own background, it will be difficult for us. But we have to beat them squarely.
What kind of game do you think we should expect on Tuesday, tomorrow? Should we go in all out or try to play defensive game and then catch them on the counter?
Now, Zimbabwe have nothing to lose.
Yeah.
Because they know they are just playing sick because they haven't just 1 point.
Yeah.
We need the points now.
Yeah.
So we need to play, push them, press them hard, and win the match. Else,
okay, so you are predicting Ghana win.
Ghana win.